The U.S. planned to acquire 2,456 F-35 Lightning II fighter jets. This program spans the Air Force, Marine Corps, and Navy and is set to redefine American air combat capabilities for decades to come. The F-35 Lightning II is the product of an unprecedented joint development program designed to replace a range of aging fighter aircraft across the U.S. military and its international partners. Originally conceived to streamline the procurement process by developing one common aircraft with multiple variants, the program emerged from the need to balance cost, capability, and commonality. There are three primary variants: F-35A, the conventional takeoff and landing version used primarily by the U.S. Air Force; F-35B, the short takeoff vertical landing version developed for the U.S. Marine Corps, which must operate from austere airfields and amphibious assault ships; F-35C, the carrier-based variant designed for the U.S. Navy with reinforced landing gear, larger wings, and specialized systems for catapult launches and arrested recoveries. This multi-variant approach, sharing up to 80% of common components, was intended to reduce costs and simplify maintenance, setting the stage for a transformative leap in fighter design. The U.S. government has set a bold objective: procure a total of 2,456 F-35 aircraft. This number is not arbitrary. It represents the modernization and unification of U.S. tactical aviation across three branches. U.S. Air Force plans to receive approximately 1,763 F-35A jets to replace legacy fighters such as the F-16. U.S. Marine Corps intends to field around 353 F-35B jets, with additional numbers of the F-35C variants sometimes included in their tally. To replace the AV-8B Harrier and legacy F/A-18 variants, U.S. Navy expects to acquire roughly 273 F-35C jets to operate from aircraft carriers, bolstering the Navy's carrier air wings. This massive fleet will serve as the cornerstone of U.S. air power for decades, ensuring that the military remains at the forefront of technological advancements and is prepared for future multi-domain conflicts. The F-35 is not just another fighter jet, it is a platform that integrates several cutting-edge technologies designed to give its pilots an unparalleled edge in combat. The F-35 employs advanced stealth coatings and design techniques to evade enemy radar. Its sensor fusion systems combine data from multiple sources, including radar, infrared, and electronic warfare sensors, to provide a single, coherent picture of the battlespace. This capability dramatically increases situational awareness and enables rapid decision-making. At the heart of the F-35 is its sophisticated software and avionics suite. This system integrates navigation, communication, targeting, and defensive countermeasures, ensuring that pilots have all necessary information at their fingertips. Despite some challenges with software delays and bugs, continuous updates are part of the program's roadmap designed to perform air-to-air combat, ground attack, intelligence gathering, and electronic warfare missions. The F-35's multi-role nature allows it to replace several older aircraft with one common design. Its variants are tailored to the unique operational requirements of each service. From land bases to aircraft carriers, the F-35 is built to operate within a network-centric warfare environment. Its ability to share real-time data with other assets, both U.S. and allied, ensures coordinated and effective joint operations. These capabilities not only enhance the individual performance of the aircraft but also contribute to the overall synergy of U.S. and allied forces on a global scale. The F-35 program is a multinational effort. While the United States is the primary financier and customer, several allied nations are deeply involved. The United Kingdom, Italy, the Netherlands, Australia, Norway, Denmark, and Canada have all contributed financially and technologically to the program. These contributions not only share the immense cost burden but also facilitate technology transfer and joint industrial participation beyond the primary partners. Other nations such as Japan, Israel, and Singapore have acquired the F-35 through the FMS program, reinforcing the aircraft's status as a global asset. This extensive international collaboration has strategic benefits. Interoperability between allies is enhanced, joint training and operations become more seamless, and the F-35's presence serves as a deterrent in contested regions worldwide. The program's success supports not only U.S. defense policy but also reinforces the collective security of NATO and allied nations. No major defense program is without its challenges, and the F-35 is no exception. Despite its advanced design, several issues have garnered attention. The F-35 program has experienced significant cost growth. Initial estimates have ballooned, and the full life cycle cost is projected to exceed $2 trillion. Delays in development, particularly in software and integration testing, have also pushed back full-rate production decisions. Recent reports from the Government Accountability Office have highlighted that the F-35 fleet has struggled to meet mission-capable targets over the past several years. Despite billions spent on operations and maintenance, challenges such as spare part shortages and lengthy repair cycles continue to affect overall readiness. The integrated sensor and avionics systems, while a technological marvel, have proven complex to manage. Software glitches and issues with system integration have sometimes led to criticism regarding the aircraft's reliability and maintainability. Notably, public figures including Elon Musk have questioned the efficiency of continuing to build manned jets like the F-35 in an era where unmanned and autonomous systems are gaining gaining prominence. Although such comments are controversial, they underscore a broader debate about the future of aerial warfare and the balance between manned and unmanned systems. Despite these challenges, defense officials and industry partners remain committed to addressing these issues. Continuous improvements, rigorous testing, and proactive maintenance strategies are part of the program's ongoing evolution. Looking ahead, the F-35 is expected to remain the backbone of U.S. tactical aviation well into the future. Here are some key points regarding its strategic importance. With an operational life estimated to extend until 2070 or beyond, the F-35 will be a mainstay of U.S. and allied air power for decades. Its design allows for upgrades and modifications, ensuring it can evolve alongside emerging threats. The F-35 is designed to work in tandem with other advanced systems, including unmanned aerial vehicles, network-centric command and control platforms, forming a cohesive multi-domain battle network. The presence of a modern, highly capable fighter like the F-35 enhances deterrence. It reassures allies and challenges potential adversaries by ensuring that air superiority can be maintained in any conflict scenario. The sheer scale of the program has a significant economic impact. With thousands of suppliers across the United States and allied countries participating, the F-35 program supports high-tech industries and jobs on a global scale. Despite its challenges, the F-35 program represents a critical investment in future military capability. Its continued evolution will be central to maintaining a technological edge in an increasingly complex security environment. In conclusion, the U.S. government's goal of procuring 2,456 F-35 fighter jets is an audacious plan designed to secure a technological advantage that will define U.S. and allied air power for generations. While the program has faced significant hurdles, from cost overruns and technical challenges to readiness issues, it remains a cornerstone of modern military strategy. As we've seen, the F-35 is not just an aircraft, it's an integrated combat system that embodies the future of joint and networked warfare. With international partnerships and continuous technological upgrades, the F-35 is set to deliver a paradigm shift in how air combat is conducted.